Bitch, it's Royal on the chase. Royal Productions. Royal gang.
Snakes. I got the stuff. Leave it on the doorstep and get the hell out of here.
Hey,
all right, Johnny.
Hey, gotta get hype. Gotta get hype.
What money?
Bitch, you wanna fight? I'ma hit you with the right. Bitch, like Mike. It's on site.
How much do I owe you? AC said 10%.
Too bad AC ain't in charge no more.
What do you mean?
He's upstairs.
He's gonna fill your dumb ass with lead.
He'll call you when he gets
He's gonna
out.
lay your dumb ass to bed.
Hey,
You better run while you got the chance. Oh wait, you're
tell
dead.
you what I'm gonna give you,
Right.
snakes.
Right
I'm
about
gonna give
now.
you to the count of 10
Here it gets
to get your
going.
ugly, yellow, no good keister off
From my property.
before I pump your guts full of lead.
1,
Right, Johnny, I'm sorry.
2,
I'm going.
10.
1, 2, 10.
Skr skr. Bang. Bang. Skr skr. Skr. Royal on the chase. Royal on the chase.
Keep the change.
Keep the change, you filthy animal. I'll fill you with lead like a mechanical. Get the fuck away from my door. I ain't gonna say it anymore. 3 warnings and your blood's gonna pour. Ha, ha. All over my kitchen floor. All over my kitchen floor. Roast you with this 40 like a motherfucking s'more. The way I flex with my banger, you'll think I'm Thor. When these hollow tips war, 3 warnings and your blood's gonna pour. The ops come, bitch, I'm out the back door. You a dummy ass bitch, that's why I had my nigga fuck your bitch. You asked how many times I... About 6. Down in the ground now, that's where you at. Cause I let this motherfucker rip. These hollow tips coming through your head. I'ma bust this motherfucker till you go to bed. Ha, this mechanical shooting lead at your dome, bitch. I'm off this loud, I'm in my zone. Keep the change like Kevin from Home Alone. I'ma blow back your fucking dome. Put you on the internet. I'm not talking about Chrome when I aim this hollow tip at your fucking dome. Hollow tips going through your dome. Bitches Royal on the chase. Smoking straight gas to the face. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone.